Hello everyone, welcome to Opportunities Circle, the number one opportunities discovering platform. This time, Opportunities Circle is back with an opportunity of summer exchange program offered by Romania. It is known as Bucharest Summer Exchange Program. This program is open for international students. It is an excellent opportunity for students to spend 2 weeks of their summer break in Romania. The Bucharest University of Economic Studies hosts the Summer Exchange Program, facilitating all program levels bachelor's, master's, and doctoral. The fully funded Summer Exchange Program consists of debates, seminars, and workshops. Professionals and specialists will be supervising the participants all through the program. This program attracts people by providing them with a trip to Romania with Bucharest city tours. Students will have the chance to explore the country and learn about its government transformation and culture. Main and old buildings are on the list of visits, which help discover real life stories of Romanians. Furthermore, the beauty and nature of Romania will help you relax your mind and have a peaceful time in summer. This program is a chance to polish your skills on every level. The skill enhancement will allow you to be more professional. Participants can engage in social events to develop their interpersonal skills and build a network. Focusing on economics, the program offers intercultural and academic events. Moreover, there will be an exchange of ideas among everyone to identify the challenges faced around the globe. Indeed, the Bucharest Summer University will be a praiseworthy addition to your profile. To be eligible for this program, the applicant can be from any country. Students pursuing bachelor's, master's, and PhD can also apply. Furthermore, the purpose of visiting Romania, the type of passport, and the passport issuing country must match all the university requirements. This summer exchange program offers the benefit of accommodation, full program fee, cultural exploration, recreational facility, interpersonal skill development, and additionally, participants get to engage in social events, team building skill development, networking building, and lastly, this is a fully funded 2 weeks opportunity. To apply for this fully funded summer exchange program, click on the link given in the description section of this video. You will be redirected to this webpage. Here you can read all the details related to this exchange program and proceed towards the application process and click on apply now. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunities Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities. Clicking on apply now will bring you to this web page. Here you need to scroll down and click on full scholarship application. Go through the details, go through the requirement of essay and CV, and then click on application form. It opens the application form for Bucharest Summer Exchange Program. Scroll down, put your email address, and then check mark this box and click on Next. It will open the application form for you. Start by putting the contact details. Put your first name, your last name, then gender, date of birth, country of origin, the country you are currently living in, your address, street number, city, zip code, country, your phone number, and then in the end you need to put the Facebook or Instagram profile link and then click on next. Now comes the next section of this application form. Here you have to put in the education and professional background details. First of all, put the country or the city of your institution, the level of your studies, whether it's bachelor, master's, or PhD, and then put your specialization here, then your favorite course, your associations, if you have joined any clubs, NGOs that you are or still a member of or you were a member of, your hobbies and interests, and then how did you find about this exchange program. Fill in all these spaces and click on next. Now in the third section, you have to choose one option. So here you have to choose full scholarship and then click on next. Now it asks to upload the following documents: your CV, your cover letter, and the essay. The details about the essay are given in the beginning. After submitting all these documents, click on Submit. That's how you can submit your application successfully. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that this video is helpful for you, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family.